Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. I slept like a baby.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, Maya. Wash your hands first.
Okay, Mom. Is breakfast ready? I'm hungry.
Almost. Please sit down.
Morning.
You look sleepy.
I stayed up late.
That's why you feel tired. Sleep is important.
Careful there, buddy. Save some for the rest of us. He's just excited for the pancakes, honey.
They smell so good. Today is Saturday. What do you want to do?
Can we go out? I don't want to stay at home.
Yes!
Wallet, phone, keys. Okay.
Everyone ready?
Ready!
It's wonderful to be outside today. The air is so fresh.
And the birds are singing beautifully. The weather is nice today.
Yes, it's perfect for going out.
Wow, so many people.
Stay close. Don't wander off.
Look at all these colors.
Wow! Can we get some grapes?
This apple is huge.
Hello, we'd like to buy some.
How much are the apples?
$3 per kilo.
I'll take 1 kilo, please.
Can we buy strawberries?
Let me see. Yes, we can.
These look delicious.
They are in season. Let's buy some.
Where is my phone? Oh no, I can't find it.
Did you drop it? This just not mean fearing.
I'm not sure.
You were using it near the apple stall.
You're right!
Is this anyone's phone? Seriously, anyone's?
That's mine.
You dropped it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That was close.
Yes, I must be more careful.
Let's eat lunch outside.
Yes!
What a charming place.
It is. Let's find a table.
Look, they have cake and burgers. I'm so hungry.
Welcome. Table for 5? Yes, please. Right this way. Here are the menus.
What does grilled mean?
Let's eat.
I want burgers. I want pizza.
Let's share. Five grilled, 5 burgers, 2 pizzas.
It looks yummy.
Let's eat. This is so nice.
I'm glad we're all here.
Can I run?
Yes, but be careful.
Look, I'm on top!
Are you okay?
Yes, just scared.
It's okay. Accidents happen.
Next time, go slowly.
What did we learn today?
Be careful with your things. Listen to parents. English is everywhere.
Very good.